mag-vlog uli. Kasi sobrang busy ako guys sa school, sa mga projects. So, yeah! Happy to see you guys again. So, para ngayon, gagawa ulit tayo ng slime. Tapos, since naisip ko, malapit na ang Christmas, how about make CandyCane Slime? So, hindi natin gagamitin totoong candy dito Mukha lang siyang candy cane. And this is gonna look cool at the end. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started! So first, we're gonna be pouring the glue into our bowl. It's good. So this is gonna be our white part. Oh wait, no. Let's just make it the red part first. Okay, so this is actually gonna be my red. So, I have red food coloring here. Okay. I'm gonna put some drops. Yeah, I think that's good. We can still add more. Mix it up. Oh, I think this is gonna be pink. Yeah, it's pink. We need it to be red, not pink, not hot pink. We need red. So, like as I said, we can add more ones. Okay. No, I think this is gonna turn red down. Oh, it's still pink. Wait, let's just mix it really good. By the way, guys, I want to know, ano ang paborito niyong candy or what is your favorite candy? Comment down below. Or like where the comments are, because I think the comments change and it kind of changed, like it went like up the videos, like where the videos are and up and like on top of it. Okay, so it's still kind of pink. I'm gonna add more. Oh, this is gonna turn red. It was kind of pink. Okay, so it's red now. The color we wanted. Red. Red is a nice Christmas color. Have you guys decorated for Christmas now? Naka-decorate na kayo sa Christmas, comment down below. Wow! Okay. So, ngayon, lalagyan ko siya ng glitter. Tapos, mamaya din sa end, lalagyan ko din ng glitter para inside. You get it. I told you guys this in my previous vlog. I forgot what vlog it was. Okay, so ihalo na natin, guys. Okay? Ano siya? So, set aside muna natin to para sa end. Sasabay na lang natin siya i-upload. Side. So now, we're gonna be making our white one. Okay? So I put my white one there. So since it's only gonna be white, I'm just gonna be adding our glitters. This is white glitters. to add some sparkles. Mix it up. We're gonna be putting the activator. Ginagamit ko liquid, pero pwede nyo din gamitin contact solution and baking soda or borax. This konti, mukha siyang marshmallow, guys. Okay, hindi pa natin ako. Sticky pa siya ng konti. Ninit ko pa ito sa hands ko, guys, pero it's still sticky. Tapos pagkalagay natin dito, hindi ko na siya na. Soft niya, guys. Actually, mas maganda pag nilid nyo siya kaysa i-activate nyo siya hanggang ma-activate siya at maging slime habang ano. Kasi minsan hindi mo namamalayan na overactivate ka na. Kaya mas maganda pag na-feel mo. Unless you just don't wanna touch the cake. Kailangan ka nito. And it's fun. Slime is really cool and fun and entertaining. That's our first. We're gonna be putting the glitter later once we're done. I'm just gonna keep on eating this, but if it's still sticky, I'll just add a little bit more of it. I actually think it's good now. Wow! So okay na siya, guys. Hindi siya sticky. Ninit ko lang siya ng ninit. Okay, so isa-set aside muna natin ito. While i-activate ang ating red. So, inuna kong white kasi pag inuna ko yung red, magkaka-red dito pag hinuli ko yung white. But I'll take all the whites off out of my hand. So, tatanggalin ko ito sa mga kamay ko kasi kahit ano to, sayang naman din. Ngayon, i-activate na natin ating may pang oil dito in case. But alagyan na natin. Ngayon ko siya na. Wow! Perfect na circle. perfect. Sinimix ko lang siya. Mamaya ko na siya. Okay, still need more. Finish the whole container. Pwede na siyang i-knead. So, may tanong. Yan. I-mix lang natin siya. Dito, hinata. Lalagyan ko na lang siya ng konti kasi sticky pa siya. Oh, I see it's dripping, isn't it? Woo, got it. This is yoga. I think we are good. Here are beautiful slimes. Okay, we'll be putting the container here first. And then I'm gonna take this out of my hand. As I said, nilagyan ko siya ng glitter kanina. Ngayon lalagyan ko ulit para mas, siyempre, mas. So, ay hindi. White muna. White muna. So, nilagyan ko muna ng glitter sa ating si Frank. Lalagyan muna natin ng white glitters. Okay? No, wait. I forgot the cap. Okay. And yan. Got our like glitters in there. Beautiful. Sparkles. Okay, some of them drop here. Where's your white glitter? Now we're gonna be putting our red glitters. Red glitters into Bob. I-roll ko siya. First step. Then, i-roll natin ito. Yan, na-roll ko na. Ngayon, yan, ako silang dalawa. This is so weird. Let it melt. my weird candy cane. It actually looks pretty cool. Like it's like a marble effect. Not really of a swirly effect. I was thinking that would happen. Okay. That makes it. But they're still light. So that's it for our CandyCane Slime. But before we end this video, let's give shout outs to Zian Jamil, Princess R, Janine Rachel Vlogs, and Casey Joanne Lilagan Vlogs. So, hello po sa inyo. Check niyo po channel nila. There's just a lot of glitters in this table. So, if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're excited for Christmas, also give this video a big thumbs up. So if you're not yet part of the Sparkle Thea squad, just subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell next to it so you get notified in every fun vlog I do. So see you guys on my next vlog. Bye!